Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is July 24th, 2025, and we're diving into O'Reilly Automotive's latest earnings report for the second quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. O'Reilly Automotive, a leader in the automotive aftermarket industry, has just released their Q2 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from record revenue to strategic expansions.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. O'Reilly Automotive reported a revenue of $4.53 billion for Q2 2025, marking a 6% increase from the previous year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The revenue growth is primarily driven by a 4.1% increase in comparable store sales, supported by strong performance in both professional and DIY segments. Additionally, the gross profit increased by 7% to $2.33 billion, reflecting effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
And how did this translate into profitability?
O'Reilly's net income rose by 7% to $669 million, with an adjusted EPS of 78 cents, which is slightly above the analyst's forecast of 77 cents. This indicates a solid bottom-line performance, bolstered by a strategic focus on margin expansion and cost control.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. O'Reilly has also shown improvements in operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their SG&A expenses and operating income?
Sure. SG&A expenses increased by 8% to $1.41 billion, which is in line with their revenue growth. Operating income also saw a 6% increase to $914 million, maintaining a stable operating margin of 20.2%. This reflects their ability to manage expenses effectively while expanding their store footprint.
Speaking of expansion, what can you tell us about their future outlook and store openings?
O'Reilly opened 105 new stores in the first half of 2025 and plans to open 200 to 210 new stores by year-end. They've also increased their full-year comparable store sales guidance to 3% of 4.5%, indicating confidence in their growth strategy and market position.
Share repurchase and financial strategy. O'Reilly has been active in its share repurchase program. What are the details of their recent activities?
During Q2 2025, O'Reilly repurchased 6.8 million shares at an average price of 90.71 cents, totaling $617 million. They have $1.16 billion remaining under their current authorization, demonstrating a strong commitment to returning value to shareholders.
How does this align with their overall financial strategy?
Their adjusted debt-to-EBITDA ratio stands at 2.06, indicating a balanced approach to leveraging debt while maintaining financial flexibility. This strategy supports their growth initiatives and shareholder returns.
CEO's perspective and strategic initiatives. Let's hear from the leadership. What did CEO Brad Beckham have to say about these results?
Brad Beckham expressed gratitude towards their 92,000 employees for their dedication, which translated into strong top-line performance. He emphasized their commitment to gaining market share across all regions and highlighted the opening of their 100th store in Mexico as a significant milestone.
How do these strategic initiatives position O'Reilly for the future?
These initiatives, including store expansions and market penetration, position O'Reilly to capitalize on growth opportunities in the automotive aftermarket industry, ensuring long-term profitability and competitive advantage.
Key takeaways. In summary, O'Reilly Automotive has delivered a strong performance in Q2 2025 with impressive revenue growth, profitability, and strategic expansions. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
O'Reilly's robust financial performance, strategic store expansions, and shareholder-friendly initiatives make it an attractive investment. Their ability to exceed EPS expectations and increase guidance reflects a positive outlook for the remainder of the year.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on O'Reilly's performance in the comments below.